All right, I'm coming in with my low sodium soy sauce. Adding in some shrimp for protein. And our grilled chicken. Just putting that right on in there. Now I'm adding in some sriracha cha for spice, but if you don't like spicy, you can leave this out or do a smaller amount.
All right, y'all. Now that we've got all of our ingredients here onto our havabichi, we are ready for our delicious feast. My favorite proteins, chicken and shrimp. We've got our pre-cooked rice here. We've got all our delicious vegetables, and we are just going to start mixing and mashing, creating this delicious traditional Asian delicacy. Ooh, I think you guys are really gonna like this and you're gonna wanna make it at home. My favorite is with the pineapple, but you can add whatever to your rice that you like. All right, I'm gonna toss this here. So we did use peas, corn, we got our eggs in here, we've got pineapple, bell peppers, lots of soy sauce, chicken, and shrimp. Now you can make this vegetarian, you can do this however you want, but this is such a fun, easy way to feed a group. I also did put some diced onions in here, just all kinds of delicious, delicioso stuff. I'm using 2 bottles of soy sauce, the low sodium. Last time I used the large jar of the regular soy sauce, and you know, a lot of people told me they were concerned about the sodium content, so I did want to let you all know I am taking that into account this time. All right, we're just gonna keep mixing this up till it's all incorporated. All right, guys, I'm just gonna close the lid on my havabichi here, and we are gonna let our rice get fried. Alrighty, y'all, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Look at our havabichi feast. I'm just gonna put some green onions right on top. These are the darker ones. Look at this, beautiful. Oh my goodness, so fragrant and aromatic. Oh, I cannot wait to grab myself a big, delicious scoop of this. Pineapple fried rice, y'all. Ah, you can make it at home. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get some chicken. Oh, it's cooked to perfection. So tasty, so easy. Y'all gotta try this.